Car insurance can be a significant expense for many people. But did you know that there are ways to save money on your car insurance without sacrificing coverage? In this video, we'll show you 5 simple ways to save money on your car insurance. We'll cover everything from choosing the right coverage to taking advantage of discounts. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how to save money on your car insurance. The first step to saving money on your car insurance is to shop around for the best rates. Don't just stick with your current insurance company because it's convenient. Take the time to compare rates from different companies. You can do this easily online by filling out a form with your information and getting quotes from multiple companies. Make sure to compare the coverage options and deductibles as well, as these can affect the overall cost of your insurance. And don't be afraid to negotiate with the insurance company or agent to get the best rate possible. By shopping around, you can potentially save hundreds of dollars on your car insurance. Choosing the right coverage is essential to saving money on your car insurance. Make sure you understand the different types of coverage available and choose the ones that fit your needs. For example, if you have an older car, you may not need collision or comprehensive coverage, which can be expensive. On the other hand, if you have a new or expensive car, you may want to consider adding these coverages to protect your investment. Also, make sure to review your policy regularly and adjust your coverage as needed. You may be able to save money by reducing coverage on a car that is paid off or increasing your deductible. Remember, the goal is to have the right amount of coverage at the best possible price. One of the easiest ways to save money on your car insurance is to take advantage of discounts. Most insurance companies offer a variety of discounts, such as safe driver discounts, multi-car discounts, and good student discounts. You may also be eligible for discounts if you have certain safety features on your car, such as anti-lock brakes or airbags. Make sure to ask your insurance company about all the discounts available to you and take advantage of them. By doing so, you can potentially save hundreds of dollars on your car insurance. Finally, maintaining a good driving record is crucial to saving money on your car insurance. Insurance companies typically offer low rates to drivers who have a clean driving record and no accidents or tickets. So, make sure to practice safe driving habits, such as obeying traffic laws, avoiding distractions while driving, and maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles. If you do have an accident or ticket, make sure to inform your insurance company and ask if there are any ways to mitigate the impact on your rates. By maintaining a good driving record, you can potentially save a significant amount of money on your car insurance over time. By following these 5 simple tips, you can save money on your car insurance without sacrificing coverage. Thanks for watching.